Today we delve into a critical moment in American history, brought to the spotlight by the work of one courageous individual, Upton Sinclair. The groundbreaking novel, The Jungle, exposed the harsh realities of the meatpacking industry in the early 20th century, sparking a wave of reform that reshaped American food safety and labor practices. I have read the book in school and have done a project on it. I am quite familiar with the subject at hand, and I am glad to be sharing it, given that it was a huge impact on the industry. Today I want to tell you about Sinclair's investigative approach and impact, as well as the legislative reform and their lasting impact it had on the meatpacking industry. Let's jump into Sinclair's investigative approach and impact on the industry. In the early 1900s, Upton Sinclair embarked on a bold journalistic endeavor to expose the grim conditions faced by workers in the Chicago's meatpacking plants. Sinclair embedded himself within the industry, posing as a worker, to witness firsthand the horrific working conditions and unsanitary conditions. Sinclair's work was more than just a narrative. It was a powerful call to action. His portrayal of rancid meat being processed, workers losing limbs in dangerous machinery, and the widespread disregard for worker safety struck a nerve with the public. The vivid and mortifying details Sinclair presented served as a mirror to the harsh and grim realities of industrial capitalism. His approach was crucial in giving wide spread to the suffering of workers and compelling the public to confront the horrible realities of their food supplies. The narrative by Upton Sinclair made a public uprising and significant change that needed to be made in the industry. The outcry generated by the jungle had a profound impact on American society and led to significant legislative changes. Although Sinclair's primary goal was to improve worker safety and conditions, the public's focus was on the unsanitary practices within the meatpacking industry. This shift in the public's concern paved the way to crucial reforms. These legislative changes not only address the immediate health reconsideration by the Sinclair's revelation, but also laid the foundation for modern food safety regulations. The reforms represented a significant shift toward greater government oversight and consumer protection. Congress passed the Meat Inspection Act and the Pure Food and Drug Act in 1906. The Meat Inspection Act mandated sanitary standards for slaughterhouses and meat processing plants, ensuring that meat products were inspected for cleanness and safety before reaching consumers. The Pure Food and Drug Act aimed to prevent the sale of adulterated and misbranded food and drugs, providing framework for consumer protection. Upton Sinclair's dedication to exposing the harsh realities of the meatpacking industry brought to light the critical issues that demanded reform. His investigative efforts, combined with the ensuing legislative changes, marked a pivotal moment in American history.